to Nature Nowhere, episode 11. I have a great plant to start us off with. Get a close-up of this. Come here, get a close-up of it. It's an invisible potted plant.
No way.
Yes, it's an invisible potted plant.
Wait.
Can't you see it?
Hold on.
It's an invisible potted plant.
If it was invisible, how I would be touching it. Look. Nowhere around.
It's an invisible potted plant.
Oh my gosh. This could...
Oh my gosh. That is the biggest ladybug I have ever seen. Look at this giant ladybug.
Wow, so big. Okay. I'm going to ask you a really, really big question.
Yeah? That is a big ladybug.
I know about the ladybug, but what's wrong? Ah!
I've done this all my life. Looking around everywhere I go and, well, finding God's creatures. Even in the middle of nowhere. You're watching Nature Nowhere with Nathan Caldwell.
I've got to figure this out. I've got to figure a way for the cure of that.
The cure of what? I don't understand what you're talking about. I look perfectly fine. I look perfectly fine. I don't know what you're talking about.
Follow me.
Yeah?
Aim the camera at me.
Yeah? Yeah?
Come
Aiming
on.
the camera at you. Okay. Coming in the house.
Come on.
Okay. Uh-huh. 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 Oh, look! It's a... Oh! I ain't never seen this before. Ah, it's a leaf! It's a living organism!
It's not funny. Come on.
But
Come
it's
on.
a leaf!
Come on.
But there's a leaf! It's Nature Nowhere! It's leaves!
There's leaves everywhere, okay?
Oh, there are leaves everywhere! Look at all the leaves!
I shouldn't have said that. Come on. Okay, come in here.
Uh-huh.
Come on.
Uh-huh.
Now just
Uh-huh.
go in there.
Uh-huh.
Just go in there.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like it. It's a potato chip bag plant. This is fascinating.
Just
And delicious.
Just look around,
Uh-huh.
and I'm going to look up the way to cure this.
Okay.
But not outside. You can look around.
Oh, it's a tree. I've never seen a tree like this before. CJ? CJ? You didn't see the tree! You didn't see the tree!
Okay. I think I found the cure. Has to be plugged up. Doesn't it?
It's a plant! It's a computer plant! It's nice.
Okay. Now, I need you. Oh, no. Why was it this? This. Here. I need you to take a bite of this, and it'll feel better.
Okay, I'll take a bite. Take a bite.
Look at the camera.
Take a bite. Take a bite. Of the apple. A little feel better. Okay. Take a bite of the apple. And it'll feel better. Okay. Wait, I don't feel bad though. I don't.
You'll feel better. Don't worry.
But I don't feel bad. I feel fine.
You feel terrible.
Something was blocking my mouth where I couldn't quite get a good bite of that. That's a pretty good apple, actually.
Oh. Hopefully he can feel better fairly soon.
I'm itching.
What?
Itching, man. Just all of a sudden. Hey, it's a good apple.
Oh my gosh. Look at you.
What do you mean, look at me?
You're so amazing. You're so beautiful.
Beautiful? That's stupid. I look silly. I look like my normal self. I guess that's why I have a comedy podcast. What? Say that again?
I think there's something wrong with me. Oh.